Hello, my dear. My name is Olga Charieva. As you know, I'm an owner of YouTube channel Zenanlaryň Sesi, and I'm an activist, also a member of MEHEK, which stands Milli Halas Ediş Komiteti. I'm here today, in New York, in the front of United Nations. I would like to talk in English. It's because of some fake oppositioners translated from our YouTube channel that we are as a terrorist promoting terrorism among the Turkmen people, and then many things, very negative things about us. That's why no need to translation anymore. So I would like to talk about these people who lived in Turkey, Merdan Muhammedov, Umida Bekjanowa, Malik Alamradov, Farhat Durdiyev, Ravshan Kılıçev, and many others kidnapped from Turkey, illegally kidnapped from Turkey to Türkmenistan, and then extradited to Türkmenistan. Also, some of our journalists, he claimed that he's a Turkmen journalist. His name is Halmyrat Söýünow. His birth name Halmyrat Söýünov, but his present name Murat Rahimov. He's a citizen of Canada and residing in Czech Republic. So I would like to talk about him a little bit because he's directly involved in this illegal human trafficking. It's not my word, it's his word. He said in his YouTube channel, when the Merdan Muhammedov arrested, he couldn't even hide his happiness, and right away made a video, and he claimed that he financially supporting them. Whoever wants to report these who criticizing Turkmen regime, he's against them, and he's collaborating with Turkmen authorities and then Turkish authorities, and then he's involved in this kind of crime. So I would like to bring attention of Canadian authorities and Canadian embassy in the United States, also Czech Republic authorities and Czech Republic embassy in United States, bring their attention to this serious situation, serious crime, who was involved in their citizen involved in this kind of crime. His name is Halmyrat Söýünov. His birth name is Halmyrat Söýünov, but present name is Murat Rahimov. So please take this in serious consideration. Thank you very much.